Hey y'all, my name is Diane DeConsi, but my friends call me D, so y'all can call me D. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, rate, like, all that good jazz. But as the title states below, this is my healthy hair journey. I wanted to share it with you guys, and if you guys are transitioning into becoming natural, or if you are natural and you don't know what hair products to use, this channel is the channel for you. I have been natural for about 2 years now. Before that, I was natural for a year, but then I relaxed my hair, and I will tell you guys my whole hair journey story and show you guys pictures as well. So just keep watching the video if you are interested. Like I said before, so I was natural, I want to say 3 years ago, and I went natural because I was tired of my hair breaking from like my relaxers. I had really thin hair, and every time I combed my hair, like hair would fall off, and like it was just a hot ass mess. So I decided to go natural. It was really difficult. I didn't know what products to use. I didn't know how to take care of my hair. So I was just walking around with a big old bush and I just was not feeling it. I was like, I want my hair to be healthy. I don't want to walk around feeling like, feeling that my hair is super dry and feeling not so cute. You get what I mean? So, went natural. Then my mother's best friend, which is a really close family friend, she found out that she had cancer and all of her hair started falling out. So I decided to shave off all of my hair in support of her and her journey, just to show her that you don't have to necessarily have long hair to feel beautiful. So yeah, I shaved off all of my hair, and I literally big chopped. Like, I didn't like just cut off my ends or cut off some of the hair. I big chopped the whole thing, and it was a really tough process for me because like I just stood in front of the mirror and I just looked at myself and I was just like, did I really just do that? But I knew it was for a really great cause, so I didn't mind. But so I made it a mission to have healthy hair and grow my hair out from that day on. So I started watching YouTube videos. I watched Naptural. I watched so many great YouTubers, and I'll link everyone down below that I followed to help me with my natural hair journey. And I kind of learned what worked for me, what didn't work for me, and I ran with it. So last year, no, I lied. In 2014, May of 2014, my mom was getting remarried, so I wanted a specific hairstyle. I wanted an elegant side bun, and I couldn't do it with my natural hair because my natural hair is super wavy. So I relaxed my hair again, relaxed my hair, and after that I was just like, yeah, this is gonna be my last time relaxing my hair, because it's just, my hair was just not as full as it was when I was natural. So that was my last time perming my hair, May of 2014. So after I permed my hair, I knew I wanted to go back natural. So I decided to transition into going natural. So when I say transition, I mean my roots were growing out natural and my ends were permed. OMG, when I tell you, it was one of the hardest things that I had to do with my hair. It sucked because like I would comb my hair and I would literally feel strands coming off. Like, it was just a hotified mess, okay? So after a while, I decided to chop off my ends. So I removed all of the relaxed ends. So I started off with that natural hair look again. I'll make sure to add pictures so you guys can see my journey after this. But yeah, so I transitioned and now I've been natural for 2 years now, and I freaking love it. So yesterday my cosmetology teacher washed, conditioned, blow dried, and flat ironed my hair, and then she realized that I needed a really bad trim, so she also trimmed my hair. And so this is the result of being natural for a few years. And if you look, my hair is super thick and voluminous. And in all honesty, I think it's because I've been wearing hair extensions and sew-ins. I've been wearing a shitload of wigs, like literally take a wig off, wash my hair, put another wig in, only because I didn't know how to wear my natural hair, and it was really difficult for me to style it for like work and school, because it takes a lot of time. I'm not gonna lie to you, it takes a lot of time and patience to style your hair. But I am madly in love with my hair again. And my cosmetology teacher, her name is Tyga B. She actually has an organization for breast cancer awareness. I will link everything down below. You guys should definitely check her out. She's so dope, and she's really doing something great for a really great cause. But yeah, so she slayed me, honey. Slay, man. Do y'all see this? Y'all see this? But yeah, so let me just show you guys how long my hair is now. So this is the length of my hair. And I only flat iron my hair once every 6 months. I don't want to have heat damage again. I damaged the shiznit out of the front of my hair with heat, so I only flat iron it once every 6 months. guys would like to see how I wash my hair and treat my hair on a weekly basis, let me know. And the wigs and weaves that I wear are from DeConte Extensions. I only wear hair extensions from my own brand. That will also be linked down below. And I'm just so happy and proud of myself because my hair has grown tremendously. And it's because I actually take time and I actually do what I have to do on a weekly to monthly basis to protect my hair. So if you guys are on a healthy hair journey, welcome, and follow my channel so that you guys can see like what I do to get my hair back to its healthy state. Thank you for watching.